What I went through today. So yeah, I don't even remember the last time I came here. Oh yeah, in Europa. Welcome back again to another video, and how are you doing today? Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Do appreciate it. So guys, I'm just coming back from the shop. I went to this shop that is very close to me here to go buy some things that I don't necessarily need. I ended up spending 50 euro. I was like, what did I buy? The way things are expensive these days in France is so alarming. I know it's not only France, things are expensive, like it's a worldwide thing. And let me tell you guys something. They have been protesting in France for the past getting to 2 years now. They'll be protesting, and the government, the president is not listening. I mean, if things are expensive and you know the salary increment, nobody will be complaining. I went to IKEA day before yesterday. There's this table that I've been meaning to buy. The last time we went, it was around 30 euro, but we couldn't carry it because we bought a lot of things. And day before yesterday, we went back for that same table. Lo and behold, they've increased the price from 30 euro to 50 euros. I was like, no, this is not the table. I was looking at the picture of that table that I have on my phone. Like I was, isn't the setting? Like, I mean, did not add anything to it? Is this the same size, the same dimension? So why this sudden add of 20 euros? I do not understand. Oh boy, let me not talk, because you know, if we complain now, they'll be like, why are you complaining? Why are you complaining? I'm not complaining. But I feel like I should just talk about this, show you guys, because I'm really angry. This is the name of the shop, Soundtrack Core. Yeah, look at this. Oh, okay. Let me show you guys. 50 euro. Like, finish. This is everything. No, you can't. Okay, so I bought this mirror, guys. It's so beautiful. I like the back and it's solid, and this I pay 5 euros. I'm gonna be putting this one on my dressing, on top of my dressing table, and this one is the fitted sheet for my bed, and I think I paid 16 euro for this one. It's only one fitted sheet for 16 euros, and these are reusable ice cube. Let me check how much I paid. 75 cents each. 75 cents. This one is a high access tray, and yeah, I don't know why I bought this, but I just feel like, I don't know if you guys can see, 2 euros 79 cents. And this one is our normal regular hairpin, and this one, okay, the same price, 2 euro 79 cents. I bought this magnetic eyelashes. This one that I bought from them last year. It was very good, so like natural, and I loved it. I used it for several times, although I don't like, you know, putting on lashes, but sometimes when I have time, I just feel like, okay, so I bought this one, and this one is easy to put on, and I'm gonna be trying it. So the last thing that I have here is this tray. I think I'm gonna be using this for carrying, maybe when I have visitors, or I just call it coffee tray. I'm gonna be using it for maybe carrying coffee, carrying snacks, and just put in the table or on the tiny table. And now, so tell me, does this thing worth 50 euros? This thing, does this worth 50 euros this early morning? Anyways, it is well in Jesus' name. So I will also be going out later. I have an event coming up. I'm super busy. I can't even vlog about it. I don't even remember to carry my camera, okay, let me use my phone when I'm outside. I am super busy, and at the same time, in this my condition, it's so tiring, and or even the content that I've filmed before, I don't even have time to edit them. So what I'm gonna do, when everything is done, I'm gonna come here, talk to you guys about it. I have 2 places to go today, so I'll be going to DHL to go pick up my package. They came to deliver it. I wasn't at home, so they took it back to their office. They said I should come collect it. I don't even know which of the office they took it to. I think I'm gonna go to the one that is close to me, and if they did not put it there, I'm just gonna look for it. It's actually a wig that I bought from AliExpress. I can't wait to see what that wig looks like. This wig that has this fussy baby hair, and I can't wait to see what it looks like. Yeah, that's basically everything for now. Do not go anywhere, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. How are you?
Okay.
So how was it? Ils t'ont donné quelque chose?
Oui.
Vous allez te chercher?
Oui.
Chez, à la pharmacie?
Oui.
Give mama a kiss. Give mama a big kiss. This boy, he didn't go to school. This boy have been coughing non-stop for the past 1 month. So we're taking it to his daughter. Thought is that, like, seriously, is that do not play with anything that has to do with his head. I do not play with anything that has to do with his head. There are some things that I just feel like, okay, this doesn't need a doctor, but his dad is always like, let's take it to the doctor. So we've been to the doctor place for over like 4 times just for cough, and the cough have refused to go away. He has been coughing non-stop for over 1 month, and I don't even know what to do. Like yesterday we were in the car and he was coughing. I was so angry. He picked up the phone. We called the doctor and he said, we are bringing him back to you this morning. So they just coming back, and yeah, I just hope I don't know, just hope you give him a better treatment this time, because I am literally like tired. Like, guys, I'm in the city of Lyon. I've not been here for I can't even remember the last time I came here. I'm in Beku. Look at everywhere. We're gonna try to go on the what's that thing called? I'm a little bit scared though. Come here. Come here. €9 per adult and €6 for kids. So ouais. Ça te fait flipper. Moi. Guys, we are in.
Pourquoi je balance pas? Là-bas, regarde! Vite!
Ouais, c'est normal.
Eh, regardez là-bas! Derrière vous, il y a un feu.
C'est quoi? C'est quoi?
Là.
Encore là?
T'as filmé derrière?
Oui, j'essaie. Aide-moi si tu peux. Je vais trop fort. Merci. Filme derrière. I was so scared. Seriously, overcome my fear today. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, is another day. I'm going to DHA. I couldn't go to DHA yesterday because by the time we were through in the city, it was already late. So this morning I decided to go because tomorrow is Saturday. They'll be closing tomorrow. They don't open on Saturday, and also I do not want them to take the package back. Yeah, so that's where we're headed. I finally got my package. You don't believe what I went through today. I went to about 3 DHA offices in this city. This package was delivered to a drop-off point that is very, very close to my house. As a matter of fact, it's just 5 minutes away from my house. I went to the third one. It's only that one I asked for my tracking code, and it was able to find out where they deliver my package to. I can't wait to see. This is my first time buying wig from AliExpress. This is my first time buying hair wig from AliExpress. So first of all, this is the package. I love the I'm liking pink these days. I love this pink package. The hair is from Lucia. Lucia? Yeah, the hair is from Lucia. It said light up your beauty. Factory direct 100% human hair, and they have their social media details here. Oh my god, this is so cool. Yeah, it comes with a wig cap, eyelashes. I love this hairband, guys. Also, yeah, this, and also it comes with this brush. That's so thoughtful of them. Very thoughtful. This eyelashes is very beautiful, but it's so dramatic. Let me take it closer. Yeah, that's very dramatic. Anyway, thank you. Let's go to the main show. It's a Kiki straight wig that have a fussy hair, fussy baby hair. You guys can see. So yeah, and it's a 360 wig at the inside. Okay. It's actually 22 inches. What do you guys think? Do you think this is 22 inches? What do you think this is 22 inches? I'm not too sure about the inches though, but yeah, I bought 22 inches and the price was pretty cool. It wasn't expensive, around 150 euro, and they also gave me a promotion code. Anyways, I'm gonna try to put the actual price on my on the screen. I'm not going to be installing this myself. I'm going to look for a stylist to help me install this, and of course you guys are going to be saying that install it and, you know, see if the hair is good. But yeah, from what I am seeing, the hair is actually good and he's not even shedding. Okay, a little bit he's shedding. Okay, a little bit. Yeah, okay, a little bit. Maybe when I wash it will minimize the shedding. I'll let you guys know my review. Bye guys.